low, the girls go psycho, angry. Yeah, I'm on my red shit. Fuck that pussy dead, bitch. $100 bill to the red cent. Ching. Just get right to it though. Double R real, right? Spicy like a big red. Tatted tears on the right. Ooh, honey got a big head. Leave your girl with wobble legs. Only if she gobble head. Why? Cause mama said they agree to every song that come on. Bobblehead bees in this bitch and we jumping on your honey. I'ma need the money or somebody crying. B-stab sound door hit with the iron. And all you heard was fucking Brian. Clutching iron, money gang, young honey. That's who I am. Boss of the cash, no fucking lying. I have my tech raw like a fucking lion. True story, the bucks are rising. I ain't talking Milwaukee, the coke is nice, the flow is dope. Either game I can show on the ropes, know what I'm saying? Or just beat him with the back of the toast. I ain't playing, y'all know the boy's sick. Keep thinking it's a game, I hit your girl with the joystick. Send her ass home making a lot of new noises like daddy shit. Fuck, get it, yeah, right. I swear that's how I voice when speaking in tongue. High five when I come all the time, I reply. Beef, we gon' ride like I'm doing the drum. Meanwhile, we just having fun. Blunts and bottles, Remy and a cushion, a bunch of models. Titties in they bush, hoping they all dolls and get drunk and swallow. Shush, they don't do it like me. I pumps up the beat, that's drugs in the street. Who can fuck with me? 999, like Master P. Feel like I'm running from a pirate, let the hook come after me. When the money's low, the girls go psycho, angry. I take her, remake her. You'll hate her, blame me. When the money's low, the girls go psycho, angry. I take her, remake her. You hate her, blame me.